This is this is the Swiss Army knife that I found on the porch. And I practiced it a lot and I kind of got used to it. Now,
show it closer up.
Okay, this is it. Now
Your hands are in the way.
Now it has two functions. It has the first blade.
Wait, I can't see.
The first blade.
Open it all the way.
You could open it this way, or you could open it this way. First blade.
Okay.
Okay. Now the second blade is a little bit harder to open. Yeah. There we go. This is the second blade. The first one, this one was the main blade, bigger. This one's the pen blade. You could use it for sharpening pencils and sharpening pencils. And I'm gonna go get my pencil. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna show you for a minute. So, I'll show you this first. I did this stick. Like this?
Yeah.
This is how you do it. You have to get really good in there. Okay. You have to get really good.
Don't cut the table.
I'm not cutting the table. Stick. Just really bumpy. So that's how you kind of carve a stick, a knife. Now I'm going to show you the pencil. Oh, where's the pencil? I'll just go put I'll just use this one. It's not that, you see this pencil? It's not that much sharpened. Just a little bit. So I'm going to use a pen blade, which you could also call it a pencil blade, but the pen blade is the real name. It's hard to do. It's kind of hard to do. Yeah, a lot of stuff on.
Alright, finish up the video.
Okay, so yeah, that's the Swiss Army knife. No,